Stop burning your old furniture. That broken chair isn't trash. It's the architectural skeleton of your new favorite garden. Escape. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 2026 senior designer secrets to turn worthless scrap into high artistry garden seating. Let's transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking sanctuary for $0. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. If you've been dreaming of a chic outdoor living space but the price tags on garden furniture have you discouraged, this masterclass is your answer. We are decoding brilliant DIY garden chair ideas that blend sustainable luxury with practical know-how. From rustic palette alchemy to sleek fire pit benches, I'm showing you how to curate an outdoor narrative that feels both expensive and alive. Let's elevate your garden. The Garden Revelation Tips 1. The Palette Alchemy, Architectural Volume. We begin with architectural volume. A standard pallet is a goldmine of raw timber. By stacking and securing them into a rustic pallet sofa, we create a substantial visual anchor for your patio. The designer secret is the sanding. We strip it back to the raw grain to highlight its tactile integrity, making it look like a custom-built piece rather than a DIY. The Garden Revelation Tips 2. The Fire Pit Bench, Linear Rhythm. For those cozy nights, we need linear rhythm. Using simple, sleek wooden beams to create a wraparound fire pit bench isn't just about seating. It's about spatial integrity. It frames the fire, creating a luminous focal point that encourages conversation and connection. The Garden Revelation Tips 3. The Chair Planter, Biophilic Integration. Now, let's talk about those broken kitchen chairs. Instead of fixing the seat, remove it. This creates a bespoke frame for a flower planter. By painting the chair a bold, contrasting color, you create a material dialogue between the man-made structure and the organic, cascading plants. The Garden Revelation Tips 4. The Metal Metamorphosis, Rust, and Resilience. Old metal chairs are masterpieces of industrial geometry. Even if they're rusty, don't toss them. A simple wire brushing and a coat of matte charcoal paint give them a modern silhouette. It's a hearty nod to sustainability that adds a seriously expensive edge to your garden path. The Garden Revelation Tips 5. The Ladder Bench, Vertical Narrative. To add vertical interest, we use the ladder bench. By spanning two old ladders with reclaimed wood planks, you create a tiered seating or display area. This adds architectural depth to small gardens, allowing your eye to travel upward through layers of texture and greenery. The Garden Revelation Tips 6. Atmospheric Curation, Luminous Depth. The final designer secret for garden seating is atmospheric curation. Tuck small solar-powered LEDs underneath your DIY chairs. This creates a floating effect at night, turning your garden into a radiant nighttime masterpiece that highlights the shadow architecture of your plants. Before you go and start your next garden project, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Seeing your versions of these trash to treasure projects is what keeps the heart of Beki Décor beating. If you're ready to try the palette alchemy or the chair planter, tell me in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your garden is a testament to the infinite potential of your spirit. When we breathe new life into an old chair, We are crafting a legacy of mindful stewardship. Trust your material alchemy. Lean into the beauty of the weathered and the worn, and create a breathtaking sanctuary that feels both thoughtful and alive. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.